What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back. Baby, I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
In today's video, I got my hands on this beautiful highlight unit, and I have to tell you guys all the details, how versatile it is, the whole nine. Okay, so if you are ready to get the deets, then keep on watching. Okay, my love, so we got this beautiful highlight wig that we are about to throw on our head. This is the unit. It's a 13x4 and it's a glueless wig, baby. You got all the attachments you need. So if you struggle with putting your wigs on, I'm telling you, you don't gotta struggle no more. It has an extra little security band, which I love because it makes my wigs even more tighter and snug. And you need that when you're going glueless because you want to make sure it's sitting on your head. Okay, I threw her on and I could see the vision, baby. I already know. So I took off my ear tabs so I can glue the edges down just so my wig is even more secure. We're gonna add a little foundation to the lace. Try to grab a foundation that's a little bit darker than your complexion, probably one shade darker, just so it can really blend into your skin. Then I'm taking a tiny bit of free spray because I just felt like I wanted the edge of the lace to lay down a little bit more. Blow drying it on cool and putting that band on. Honey, I'm going through this portion very, very quickly because you don't have to spend so much time on your wigs anymore. Like, you can get your time back and go spend it doing something else. After that, I'm taking my hot comb, just to hot comb the roots, just so it can be nice and flat, and boom, look how beautiful we look. This hair is so tea. It came bone straight, like bone straight. I loved it. We defined the part, and I'm gonna do my makeup off camera. And this is what we're giving. This is it in its straight status. So this is style number 1. You can wear it how it comes. It's 24 inches and this is where it falls on me. I'm 5'7", so it falls at a nice little length. The ends look great. But I'm going to show you 2 other styles that you guys can do. So style number 1 was straight, how it comes naturally. Next up, I'm going to show you guys just a little soft, like kind of like beach wave curls. Something just very loose and very soft, which is super duper pretty. It's so effortless. It's great for work and it's time efficient. It did not take a lot of time because I did very big chunks of curls with my curling wand. And let me show you guys the next step. If you don't want too much hair on your shoulders, okay, we're going to take out the front portion of my hair. We're gonna claw clip the back up. I added a little bit more curls to the ponytail, like the claw clip back part, and this is what we look like. We look tea, we look good, we look gorgeous. I'm telling you, get your hands on this unit. It don't have to be hard anymore. You can look good and it's versatile. You have options, baby. We love options over here, period. Okay, my loves, that is the end of today's video. If you are interested in getting your hands on this unit, all the information is gonna be down below in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Also check their website out for other wigs that they offer. They have other units as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you can see that these units have so much versatility. You do not have to wear it in the way that it comes in. You can style it and do as you please. I love you guys so much and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.